Anything to thrift, right? Got the goodies, and we're out. See y'all, this is what I was afraid of. Hey love, I want to show y'all my outfit before I head to church. I have on the top is a Zara crop that I thrifted in Nashville. And I just tucked it inside of a Target khaki skirt. I love the two-tone, but still in the same family. Then I put on 2 of my leather braided belts to accent the waist and give it a little jazz. And then I'm carrying one of my vintage purses from Poshmark, which I get a close view of it. Then the rings of the day are thrifted and vintage. Bracelets. This came from African shop. I want to say this came from Amazon. Then I have on, of course, a pair of my vintage frames, which is the tortoise shell. Then I have on my, my tortoise shell tour purchase to tie in with the glasses. So the yes loves, that is the outfit of the day. And let's head to church. Look at this drop top Chevy. That thing is clean. I can't catch up with him because he is gone. But that thing is clean, y'all. I should get a better view. Good morning, loves. I have a random question. I'm driving to church and I was thinking, what's that one song that you hear and every single time you hear it, you're going to sing it from beginning to end? Me, it's Fantasia, When I See You. I can't sing like her, but oh, I'm gonna sing it with my soul from the gut. I'm gonna sing it. Let me know what's y'all favorite song. All right, y'all have a good one. Till when I see you. Rivalry, y'all. The rivalry is strong. Look, y'all. Oh, they talking trash to each other. Yeah, the church got all kind of celebrations going on for the baby. At the bouncy houses and everything. Even got food over here as well. Look at them, they so cute. Maya, Kristen. Yeah. Y'all, we're at the Goodwill. And literally, it is right up the block from the church since we are at the Austin P location now of Life. So yeah, we're here. I got my thrift bag ready to get filled. And let's go in, shall we? What's the color of the day? Color of the day is blue. Got the goodies, and we're out. Y'all, Memphis has been absolutely beautiful for the last few days. Look at these clouds in the sky. Oh, so beautiful, so beautiful. All right, y'all. I'm gonna go by my mom's house and check on her. See y'all in a minute. Hey, Memphis. Good morning, loves. Y'all know where I am. At the farm. Let's get it. See, yeah, this is what I'm talking about. Look at these trees. It's so beautiful out here. The weather is nice. The trees are changing. Fall is here. Hello, fall. Loving it, loving it. Y'all get back to this walk. I gotta get to work. Y'all look at this family enjoying the swing. He pushing them. Oh, that's so cute. His mom and his sisters. Yeah, but he gonna just run and jump back on too like a typical boy. Oh, 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 oh. What you finna do, y'all? What you finna do, y'all? What you finna do? Typical boy. So I'm in the studio, y'all. I'm about to run out and do some errands real quick. I just want to say hey. Go ahead and say hey to y'all today. But hello. Look, y'all, I put some mousse in my hair, and it looked like a huge gray patch, but it might be actually blended in with my gray as well. So, yeah. Wait, what did they used to say back in the day when we have a gray patch? It's like wisdom. So I got me a little wisdom going on, y'all. And a little sprinkles everywhere else, yeah. So I'm gonna get out. Yeah, let's go see what we can get into today. I got another client later on, so I gotta come back. But for now on, we finna get out in these streets. We finna get out in these streets and see what we can do. Maybe get some lunch or go to a thrift store or two. We don't know, but it's nice in Memphis. The weather's amazing. Let's get out here in it. Let's go, y'all. Y'all, I got out in my 30 minutes, so let me get back to work to finish my client, or to do my client, and I will show y'all what I got when I get home. I didn't get but one thing out of both stores, but these are definitely things that me and my family will use pretty often. So yeah, I will see y'all in a minute. So I was walking in, I left my quarter at home, so I wasn't able to get a basket. I had my 2 bags, and the lady blessed me with a basket, y'all. Look at God. Look at them. I got these chips in here, Eating Love. This is the Live Free Sweet Chili Brown Rice Crisp. And Eating Love those. And I also got Bugs and Amora their dried apricots. They have raisins at home, so they ran out of apricots. So I got those. Let's see about the salads now. Y'all, I'm in the audience. Look at these. Ooh, that was amazing. Did I try them? Okay, you trying to do better. And they got the pumpkin pies out. Me and Eden love pumpkin pie. Jared and Marcus not so much. But me and Eden, we do eat pumpkin pie. Oh, they got the pumpkin spice donuts. Oh, I think I gotta get these. I gotta get one. I gotta get the pumpkin spice and apple cider. Oh, it's gotta get hard in the gym. Gotta get them. Yeah, I know we gotta get these broccoli crowns. One of these. Some more corn on the cob. I tore them up last time, y'all. I don't like that one. It's not pretty. I guess you're not eat that, but I'm not gonna eat these around. So, the corn on the cob. Gotta get Bugs and Amora their spring mix salad. Yeah, my husband say they are so spoiled. They are though. Let's grab some barbecue sauce and some ketchup. That goes through ketchup, y'all. But yeah, this is the ginger beer that I love to get, y'all. It's $3.49. And I drink these all the time. I love them with grapefruit juice and lime, like what's that drink called, y'all? Yeah, that drink here. So, got the ginger beer. Let's go back and get some pineapple juice. I love all this pineapple juice. It's so good. Very sweet though. If y'all don't like sweets, add a little bit of water to it. Oh yeah, Paloma. That's the drink I like to do with the ginger beer, and grapefruit juice, and lime. It's a Paloma. I think it's happy. Yeah, love that. So have y'all seen the butters out for the season? They got the pumpkin spice, honey. Where's the one I got last time, y'all? It was the maple butter. If they don't have it, I'm gonna try one of those. But it was so good. I went through this stuff so fast. Yeah, it'll be amazing. These donuts I'm finna get. Okay, here goes pumpkin spice and cheese spread. Should try that one. Cause I don't see the butter, y'all. Who is she? Yeah, I guess I gotta get the honey butter. They're out of the maple butter. As soon as you lose, right? I guess that's lost and lost. It's fine though. Carry on. What we get next? Oh, this is good. She is loud today, y'all. It's loud. That little boy said in that church, it's loud. Oh, y'all. Whenever I see these, I have to get them. They don't have them all the time. When I see them, I get them. So definitely getting 2 of these. Which ones I want? That was not pretty. Oh, that one's pretty. Am I the only person that looks at stuff? If it ain't pretty, I ain't getting it. Okay, we're gonna get these 2. Yep, add to cart. Okay, y'all, I normally like to get these to dip my chips in. These 2. I'm feeling pico and avocado tonight, or guacamole. What should I do? This is Southwest guacamole. What I got in it? Avocado, roasted corn, black beans, and tomato. Should I do that with the pico tonight? It is Taco Tuesday. Guacamole and pico tonight with our chips. Add to cart. See y'all, this is what I was afraid of. I I always come in and get all the seasonal stuff. So I'm gonna have to get these cookies. And these cookies. I got 4 desserts in here already. Jesus help me, Lord. Gotta go to the gym. Alright. Okay, look, they're starting to put their seasonal drinks out as well. They got this petite peppermint bark wine specialty. What is this? A blend of white wine with peppermint, chocolate, and other natural flavors, as well as artificial color. It's a wine? I don't know how I feel about that. White wine and chocolate. Or peppermint. I don't know, y'all. Y'all try that one out, let me know. Okay, y'all, they had this one as well, the chocolate. I'm intrigued now. And this one is a red wine with dark chocolate flavor and fine cream. So y'all, I've made it home. Turn this TV down. So y'all, I've made it home. And y'all now took y'all with me to, where did I go today? Oh, I went to work. I left work, went to grab some Chick-fil-A. I had some time to kill, so I went thrifting. So I took y'all with me to Blue City Thrift and the Goodwill. The red dress that I saw at Blue City Thrift, it was cute. I loved the fit of it, and it had pockets, and it was vintage. It had shoulder pads, but you know, like vintage cotton, it starts to, not start to, but it have that fade to it. You know, it was a pretty print, but it had that fade to it. And so I didn't get that dress. And then the other thing, I tried on that hat. I didn't end up getting the hat or that crossbody little purse thing. I didn't get anything from Blue City Thrift. So I ended up going to the Goodwill when I left there. And I saw some cute things, but these y'all caught my eye. And these were the pieces that I brought home because, yeah, I could not pass these up. They were such a great price. So it is 3 of these. Which I call these things. These are the picnic, like the food little nets that you put over your food for picnics. And y'all, they're metal. They are metal. Still got the tag and everything. They were $6 a piece. I'll have the price, well, tag right here, see if the price on it. It does not have the price on it, but it says Garden Treasures, metal food cover for indoor, outdoor. Yeah, so Garden Treasures. Y'all, 3 of them, brand new. I had to get them. So these are good for any kind of picnic or family gathering you're having outside. Keep those flies away from your food. So these are the great find. So I'm back in the house and chill for a sec. I think I'm gonna go ahead and soak my nails off tonight so I can go in and do my nails and toes tomorrow. So I'm finna soak those off before I go to the gym, then come back home and chill. Yeah, cause Zumba tonight, I'm gonna chill when I get back. But yeah, I will see y'all in a little bit if I come back home, but if not, I'll see y'all tomorrow. Yeah. See you later. So y'all, I've made it home. I got my to-go tray from my mom's house. Well, my version of to-go tray anyway, just the meatloaf, the yams, and a muffin. Made me something to drink. The bunnies are over there doing bunny thing. And here's Jet. Hey, Jet. Journey bought him some of those new, well, every year we get him those Halloween eyeball little ping pong balls. He loved those things. So he just been playing with those since she came home. I think he can try himself out, y'all. The bunnies. So so we are just finna chill for the rest of the night. I'm catching up on Fear the Walking Dead. I think I'm in season 7, episode 9. I think it's 8 seasons. So yeah, so we're gonna do that tonight. Fear the Walking Dead, leftovers, animal life. My husband called them the Wonder Pets. All right, y'all. See you tomorrow. Oh, they get it over there, whatever they got. Probably one of those hay cubes. They love those things. All right. See you tomorrow. So hey loves, I want to show y'all my outfit of the day. I'm in the studio about to do a few clients. So yeah, so from the top to bottom, I have on my vintage pair of rose gold frames, and I have transition lenses, so they turn to sunglasses outside, and when you come in, they go back. And yeah, so the tee is a thrifted tee. It was a couple of them. I grabbed like probably 5 of them, y'all. Then the red sweater is a vibrant red vintage sweater that I got from a thrift store, I think, or a local vendor. My new, to me, vintage purple bag. I did not have a purple bag in my collection, surprisingly. The sweats are from Phoenix. They are the light heart sweatpants. They came from a local coffee shop there, small boutique, and then a pair of my Chuck 70s that also have purple and red in them. So that's the outfit of the day. Do a few clients, and y'all have an amazing day. I'll see you in the next one. Bye. Oh, y'all, someone ducked me at the Goodwill. Look at it. Oh, it's a little elephant duck. What'd it say? Sweet Jeep, you've been ducked. Oh, gotta add it to my collection. Thank you, whoever. How cute is that? So hey loves, I want to show y'all my outfit of the day. So from top to bottom, I actually came in the studio to do my nails, so they're done. So from top to bottom, my glasses are my vintage tortoise frame. This top, y'all, is a Colonel Barfield collab with Target. I'm not sure if it's a dress or it's a shirt, but if it's a dress, it'd be a mini, but it has pockets. And I threw on my chevron leather bag that I thrifted, a pair of Amazon leggings, and my black and white tribal Tevas or Tevas, depends on how you want to pronounce it. And so yeah, this in these Memphis streets, y'all. I am so excited. The weather's amazing. So I'll see y'all in a minute. Bye. So hey y'all, I'm in the studio, just finished doing my nails. I'm trying to think what we're gonna get into today. The weather is beautiful. I got the top off the Jeep. I'm enjoying that. My allergies not though, but I'm enjoying it. But what should we do today? Should we go to the Dixon? We haven't been to the Dixon in a minute. Yeah, let's go to the Dixon. Let's go to the museum, see what exhibit they got going on today. And they have a great like small eatery, like cafe in there. Last time I went, the food was just chef's kiss. So yeah, let's do that today. Let's go to the Dixon, and we might thrift if we have time. The Dixon it is. Let's get in these streets, y'all. This is the entrance, y'all. Okay, loves, change of plans on the Dixon. The cafe is not open until November. And I'm hungry. So, y'all, let's go find us some food and let's go thrifting. Anything to thrift, right? Yeah, so we have to come back when the cafe is open because I really want y'all to see what they had to offer. So back to the car and let's go. So y'all, I'm at the antique mall. I thought this was one I've never been to before, but I actually have been to this one before. But since we're here, let's go in and I'm gonna show y'all what they have. I'm not sure if they have music, so I'm talking to y'all now out here. So I was starving, y'all, so I stopped by McDonald's and got some fries and a Frappy. And it's just a large caramel frappe and Oreos. And I love when they actually put the Oreos inside of the drink. So she made this so good today. She put the Oreos inside the drink and on top. Baby girl, thank you. Here you are. Let's go in and see what we can find. Because they're open. Get my Frappy and let's go in, y'all.
Hello, how are you?
I'm great. How are you, baby?
Good.
I hadn't been here in a while.
Well, welcome back.
I think it probably was was it cold when I came last time? I'm not sure. Probably. So hopefully I got some new goodies.
Yeah, we got a lot of goodies in.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, we are. We're strong. Now look at this table. Should I get it? Should I? Now y'all know how I feel about my Rockies. It's not Rocky Fair, but it's 3. It's in the franchise. So loves, look at this vintage luggage. I love the look of vintage luggage, but y'all know this will be heavy as I don't know what. You put your clothes and everything in it because it's very sturdy. It's getting washed out, y'all, in the camera, but it's like a orangey brown, like cognac color, almost ambery.